Dear viewers and all my esteemed subscribers, I am Mostafa. Welcome back to 100 Pixels. Today I will teach you how to make 4-channel Bluetooth controlled smart relay switch. I made this circuit board at home for you. Using this layout, you can make this printed circuit board. Dear friends, I will also show you how to do this work with relay module, Arduino and Bluetooth module. BC547 transistor for relay driver, 3.3K resistor to supply reverse bias voltage at the base of transistor, 10 microfarad capacitor for filter, 28 pin IC socket, 16 MHz crystal oscillator, 22 picofarad capacitor, 0.1 microfarad capacitor for ripples filter, reset pin to 5 volt 10K resistor. Dear friends, follow the circuit diagram and install other components. Okay, our board is ready. Now before inserting the IC here, you have to do the programming by Arduino. Now download this project file from the video description and open it. Dear friends, here are some important things to know. These codes need to be uploaded for this board. And if you want to use common positive relay module, in that case type low here, low here, low here. All high must be replaced by low. And all low must be replaced by high. Then select your Arduino from Tools menu, Board, Arduino, and select your port from here. Then verify. Done compiling and finally upload. Done uploading. Now open the microcontroller and insert in the socket. Then insert the Bluetooth module into the socket. Now carefully connect the loads. Dear friends, I have given some instructions along with the circuit diagram. Follow it and supply 5 volts or 12 volts power supply to this socket. Now install this app on your smartphone from Play Store. Then open the app and tap on the connection button.